2 times 10 to the power of 4 minus 7 to the power of 3. So we first evaluate the parentheses. We don't have parentheses. Then the exponents. Okay, so 10 to the power of 4 is 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which is 100 times 10 is 1000 times 10 is 10,000. So it's 2 times 10,000 minus 7 to the third power to the power of 3 is 7 times 7 times 7, which is 49 times 7. 7 times 9 is 60. Sorry, 63. 7 times 4 is 28 plus 6 is 43. So 643. Okay. 343. Okay. Okay. Now the multiplication comes before the subtraction. Okay, so 20,000. I evaluate this first. So it's 20,000 minus 343, which equals, okay, 20,000 minus 300 is 19,700 minus 42, so 19,700, 19,600, 657, right? Let's make sure. Okay, to go from 343 to 1,000, I need to add 657. Okay. So this is the result, 19,657. 19,647. 19,657. Okay, 8 plus 8 over 1 to the power of 4. Okay, so parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So first I evaluate the 1 to the power of 4, which is 1. Okay, so 8 plus 8 over 1, and 8 over 1 is 8, so 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, match each expression to an equivalent expression. So 3 to the power 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Here the parentheses I need to evaluate first. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So here 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So this is 16. And 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. So 16 over 16 is 1. Okay. 2 to the power of 8 minus 10 minus 15 divided by 3. Okay, so first parentheses, I don't have parentheses, then exponents. So 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 5 times 2 is 6 times 2, 7 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2, 6, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 32 times 2 is 64. 64 times 2 is 128. And 128 times 2 is 256. 256, because 120 times 2 is 240. 8 times 2 is 16. So 256. 256. Okay, 256. This 256 minus 10. Then I need to evaluate this 15 because division comes before subtraction. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, 256 minus 10 is 246. Minus 5 is 241. Okay, so this is the result. 6 times 2 plus 6 to the 4th power. PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So first I evaluate 6 to the power of 4. 6 to the power of 4 is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 6. 30 times 6 is 180. 180 plus 36 is 216, right? 30 times 6, 180, 66. Yeah, I can also think about it as 40 times 6 is 240 minus 4 times 6 is 24, so it's 216. Okay. 216 times 6. 216 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 times 2 is 12. So 6 to the power of 4 is 100. 1000. This is 1296. Then I evaluate the multiplication first. So 6 times 2 is 12. So it's 12 plus 1296. Okay. 100, 1300, 1300. Okay, order the expressions from least to greatest. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 11 to the power of 1 is 11. 8 squared is 64 minus 60. So this is 11. This is 4 because 8 squared is 64 minus 60 is 4. And 2 squared is 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 is the smallest, then 11, from least to the greatest, 4, then 11, then 20. 10 to the 7th power plus 9 plus 1 to the 3rd power. Okay. 10 to the 2nd power is 100. 10 to the power 10 cubed is 1000. So the number of zeros is the same as the exponent. So 10 to the 7th power, or to the power of 7, is 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, right? So it's 10 million. 10 million. Okay, plus 9. 1 to the 3rd power, 1 cubed is 1. Okay, so this equals 10,000,000 and 10. Good. In the next video, I'll do this practice, order of operations challenge.